Good morning and welcome to week 8, which is our last week together. It's been great being your professor. I hope everyone's enjoyed the class and really gets a lot out of kind of what we've talked about and kind of the questions I've asked. In week 8, we're looking at chapters 18 and 19 of the Colliers and Evans textbook. We have the great PowerPoints here that can definitely help us summarize some of this. And we have an article that we're going to read, which is called What's Christ's Finished Work Means for Our Everyday Work. So we can definitely try to apply faith and values into our lesson this week. We also have a video, well, a couple of videos here. The first one is on Six Sigma, which is a great topic that kind of helps us talk about kind of how to make things better in our environment while reducing waste and improving operational functionality and efficiency. So one of the things here is that we kind of try to take our processes and just try to make them lean. When I say lean, it's one of those things we're trying to look at things in a way where we're reducing the steps and making sure that everything's the way it needs to be, with no added steps. In video 2, we're going to look at the basics of project management. And the third, we're going to look at the Gantt chart. And Gantt charts are very, very helpful when we're looking at kind of just how different things go on in our environments, and we kind of plan those things out. Gantt chart kind of gets those things acclimated. I won't throw it under the video, so just want to kind of let you know kind of that's how we kind of go about project planning in a lot of different situations. And I definitely use different Gantt charts throughout my organization as well. So you may be asking yourself, what's left to do this class? We have a discussion board post, which you can see here, where you're going to be a project manager and you're going to be called to take on challenges on this. So you have the discussion board posts. We also have an individual research paper that you have to do on this. And it's 5 to 7 pages in APA. And you have to include a spiritual passage from the Christian Bible on that as well. And those are the 2 assignments that we have this week. I hope everybody's enjoyed this class. If you need anything from me, feel free to reach out. Definitely been a pleasure being a professor, and I look forward to discussing with you this week and finishing up the week together strong. Thanks.